Hello everyone, are you eager to dive into the world of C# programming but unsure where to start with your development environment? Look no further. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of setting up your C# development environment, ensuring you're ready to write and run C# code in no time. In the first should be downloading and installing Visual Studio Code is a popular choice for C# development and available for Windows and Mac. In the second should be downloading and installing SDK. Its software development kit is a set of tools, libraries, and documentation that developers use to create software applications for a specific platform, framework, or programming language. Role SDK of the C# compiler and runtime environment, and includes a vast collection of class libraries and namespaces that provide pre-written code for common tasks. And includes various development tools, such as debugging tools, performance profiling tools, and code analysis tools, to help developers create, test, and optimize their C# applications. Now install extension. Its importance. You should install the C# extension because it provides essential features like code highlighting, auto-completion, error checking, debugging support, and project management tools, making your C# development faster, more efficient, and error-free. You should install the REST client extension to easily send HTTP requests and test APIs directly from your development environment. It simplifies the process of interacting with web services, helping you debug and develop RESTful APIs more efficiently. You should install the Alive Server extension for your code editor because it allows you to quickly and easily launch a local development server that automatically refreshes your web page as you make changes to your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code. Now let's get started writing code. Click the Open Folder button in the Explorer pane. then click the New Folder button and name the folder code. When you add code, click on Navigate to view terminal. The command .NET New Console is used in the terminal to create a new C# console application using the .NET Core or .NET 5 Plus framework. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful in setting up your C# development environment, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest C# tutorials, tips, and tricks to help you become a proficient C# developer. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to see you in our next video. Happy coding!